Understanding offset wrench, a handy tool explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of a unique but essential tool, the offset wrench. Whether you're a language learner, a budding mechanic, or just curious, this video will clarify what an offset wrench is and why it's important in the world of tools. An offset wrench is a type of wrench where the head is positioned at an angle different from the handle. This design is not just for aesthetics, it has a practical purpose. The offset allows the wrench to reach nuts or bolts that are in tight or awkward spaces, where a regular wrench cannot reach. The angle varies, but it typically forms an L shape or a slight zigzag. Let's delve into the design. The offset wrench usually has a boxed end or a ring end, providing a secure grip on a nut or bolt. This design minimizes the risk of slipping and damaging the fastener. They are commonly used in automotive repairs, plumbing, and machinery maintenance. Its ability to access hard-to-reach areas makes it an invaluable tool in any toolkit. Offset wrenches come in various sizes and shapes. The most common types are 1. Standard offset wrench, used for general purposes. 2. Double offset wrench, has 2 offset ends, increasing versatility. 3. Ratcheting offset wrench, includes a ratcheting mechanism for ease of use without removing the wrench from the fastener. When choosing an offset wrench, consider size. Ensure it matches the size of the nuts or bolts you'll be working with. Angle. Different angles offer different levels of access. Material. High-quality steel ensures durability and longevity. I hope this video helps you understand what an offset wrench is and how it can be a game-changer in tight spots. It's more than just a tool, it's a solution for those hard-to-reach problems. Remember, the right tool can make any job easier. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!